I'm going to show you how to play I Like the Way You Kiss Me by Artemas on piano, slow and easy with letters and numbers for beginners. Let's put on right hand, finger 1 on B, finger 2 on C sharp, finger 3 D sharp, finger 4 is on E, finger 5 is on F sharp. 1, 2, ready and go. 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Threes. Then that repeats 3 times. Press pause and practice that for a minute until you got it. Once you got it, then let's do left hand. Don't press pause, huh? Finger 4 goes on E. 1 thumb goes on B. Pinky goes on D sharp. Pointer 2 goes on G sharp. Okay? So right hand's gonna go 5, 5, 4, 3, 4, both. Okay? Try that for a second. Ready and go. 5, 5, 4, 3, 4, both. Last time, do it again. Ready and go. 5, 5, 4, 3, 4, both. Good. Now let's try playing the whole thing slowly. Ready and go. 5, 5, 4, 3, 4, E. 1, 2, 3, 4, B. 1, 2, 3, 4, D sharp. Now G sharp. Do it again. 5, 5, 4, 3, 4, E. 1, 2, 3, 4, B. 1, 2, 3, 4, D sharp. Now G sharp. Then it would happen a third time. You can practice it, make it go faster because it goes kind of fast on the real song. And yeah, you can click another video up there and yeah, have a great day. Bye.